We are going to take a look at how to quickly set up a student APA paper. In order to do this, you want to make sure that all of your fonts are set for something that is an APA approved site. I'm using Arial 11, and all I did was select all of my text and then change it to Arial 11 to make sure that it all matches. In APA, everything should also be double spaced, so I'm going to look for my spacing and go with double. There shouldn't be any extra enters or spacing in between paragraphs except between your title and the rest of your information. That is the only place you could have extra listed. So my title page is set up, and you can see that it is pretty much centered on the page. I might want to put it down a little bit more, but I don't have to. Okay. I also want to make sure that I insert page numbers. For APA, you would go to Insert, Page Numbers, and you're going to choose the very first one where you start on page 1. Your title page does get a number, and all of your pages are numbered consecutively. It should be numbered in the top right-hand corner in your header space. If you choose this, it's going to number them automatically, and that way you don't have to go through and change page numbers later. Again, this is an APA student paper, not an APA professional paper. So for a professional paper, you would add other things up there. As a student paper, this gets left blank. No running header, no title, no author name, nothing. Okay. As you scroll down, you can see that now my entire paper is double spaced. I have my headings in place according to APA rules, level 1 and level 2 headings, and even a level 3 heading. And then where I run into some problems, I've got my conclusion, and then my references ended up on the same page. Now, a lot of people will just hit enter a bunch of times until it's on the correct page. But if I go back through later and add more to my paper or take it away, my references won't be in the correct place anymore. So instead, what I'm going to do is make sure my cursor is in front of the word references. And then I'm going to go to Insert. And I'm going to insert a page break. When I do that, it bumps everything below there onto a new page. And then references get centered on the page. To get this hanging indent that you see here, you would go to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options. These should both be set for 0. I'm going to choose Hanging Indent from the list, and it should be 0.5. After I click Apply, everything that I've highlighted will have a hanging indent, so the paragraph is opposite of a traditional paragraph. That is how you do a basic setup for an APA student paper.